In an instance where you need to cancel an event, start by opening the event from the Events tab in Ticket Tailor. Next, update the status of your event from Published to Sales Closed. You can set a custom status like Cancelled and include a customer notice that will be shown to ticket buyers on the event page. Click Change Event State. Next, open Issued Tickets from the left-hand menu, and then click the link that says Show all the orders for this event. This will open the list of orders in the Orders tab. You can select all orders and then click Actions and cancel or refund orders. In the pop-up menu, enter the cancellation reason and select the refund option, whether that's no refund, refund to a voucher, or issue a refund via the original payment method. Click Review before cancelling, then cancel orders when you're ready. You may be asked to verify your identity, in which case you'll receive a 5-digit code to your email before the action is completed. Enter the code and click Verify. Now your event will be shown as cancelled, and your customers' orders will have been cancelled and refunded.